Hi, my name is Chi. Here I'm designing this outer body for an electronic device. It has two buttons on it. These buttons are supposed to actuate. This is one of the buttons. I'm not trying to get into the buttons right now. I want to show you how I cut a shape for the place where the finger will sit underneath the device. So it's held like a remote control, and I created this curve and I made a sweep to cut the body so that it will provide space for where the index finger can sit underneath the device. And this is what the device looks like when it's done. You can see right there a nice groove for the finger underneath the device to be placed for ergonomic positioning of the finger as you hold on to the device. I and my partner 3D printed it. It is a plastic assembly. This is the 3D printed prototype of the assembly. And in the next video, I'll show you how I designed the buttons. My partner is based in the UK, and we both work on this device. I designed the body and the mechanical components, which is the body and the buttons. And my partner designed the PCB board and the electronics. Reach out to me and we can bring your product ideas to life.